Welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. Today I'm going to fit this resin copy motor that I made into the chassis. And to make it fit, I had to cut the cross member, which went right here. I cut the cross member out and I ground down the old cross member. Then I'm going to put this cross member in here, which is made from a piece of 040 by 125 evergreen plastic. And it goes right there, and it's going to set the engine back a little bit, and back like right about there. And so to do that, I need to get my super glue. What you want to do, take your super glue, put you a drop of it here and here. And I got it a little heavy, but it'll be all right. And then you glue your fingers to your car. Hit it with a little accelerator, that helps it cure a little bit quicker. And there's your cross member. And then you have to take this transmission mount and cut it off. And then you hold your chassis in here so you know your interior. This is what I'm doing with this particular kit. And then you slide your engine in and it should go right there just like that. And it's set back up where it needs to be. Okay, here you can see where I finished up the detail work. I had to grind a little bit here and a little bit on the top of the engine. But now it fits in there. And it'll fit in there nice. It has plenty of room to move. And it fits the front suspension. So that's part of doing this. When you're adding parts that don't belong, you got to grind and trim and make sure everything fits, and eventually you'll all get it together. So join me next week and we'll go on to the next piece of this project. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and have a good week and keep building.